Hi and welcome to the first in a series of videos I'm going to be doing on the C14 16 scale Toyota Hilux from WPL. In this first video I'm going to be unboxing the kit version and giving you my first impressions. I bought this kit from eBay. It cost £25.52 including postage and it came from China. I've had to be quite patient. It's taken about a month to arrive, but I was pretty impressed with what came in the box. Let me just show you what came. So first of all, we have a set of instructions, both in English and Chinese by the look of it. A rather nice scale body, which also comes with windows, front lights and indicators. More parts for the body. And some quite nice scale parts. Scale interior including dashboard, seats, mirrors, windscreen wipers, side steps. These are moulded in slightly softer plastic. Wheels and quite nice soft rubber compound tyres, and there are 5 of them, so that includes the spare. Chassis side rails made of metal. More scale parts including what looks like a frame of some sort, front bumper, front grille. This is again a slightly softer plastic compared with the main body, which is hard, so that will take paint more easily. Lights to go above the cab with holes in the back, so LEDs will be possible in there. More chassis parts, hard plastic, soft plastic. Small components for the chassis and shock absorbers. These are a harder plastic. Gear for the transmission. I won't get this out just now. A metal plate to go inside the rear bed. A bag of nuts and bolts, ready-made transfer box with gears, a small servo. I don't know how good this is going to be, but it wouldn't be difficult to replace it with a high quality item. Motor. Now the motor, which comes with a metal gear already on it, is actually a much larger item. This is a 180 motor and it's much larger than what came in the Henglong truck, and this is probably the motor that I'd want to replace the one that came in that one with, and I believe that this is also larger than the one that comes in the ready-made version. Also, I understand that these tyres that come in the kit version are much softer rubber as well, so I'm quite glad I bought this version. The servo horn kit, grease. I think that I might actually use this. It does come with a couple of LED lights for the front headlights and a battery cable. I think that most people would probably agree that for £25 this is quite an amazing amount of stuff. So in the next video what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to be doing a straight stock build without any electronics in it, because that's going to be the best way for me to tell what will fit where. I hope you found this video to be useful and instructive, and if it's your first time on the channel, please subscribe. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you've got any comments or questions, please post them below. Thank you for watching.